Welcome, my dear students of class 5B to my GK class. Today's revision class is for this following topics as I mentioned in the board. Please look at it. First one, Unit 1 and Unit 2. Topics names are Secretaries General of the United Nations. You have to learn the names of the Secretary Generals of the United Nations. And next one, lesser known animals. You have to learn the names of the lesser known animals. And finally, explore mammals. So now we shall start from lesser known animal onwards. Lesser known animals, then explore mammals, and at last Secretaries General of the UN. First, lesser known animals. What are lesser known animals? Open at page number 8, my dear students. Open at page number 8 and you can see the chapter's name, Lesser Known Animals. Its answers are given in the back page. You see, answers are given in the back page. Okay, lesser known animal, it is in page number 8. Now you find out from page number 8. Page number 8, answers are given. First answer is sea pig. So learn with me. Page number 8, sea pig. What is sea pig? Sea pig, here nothing but one picture is there. When you think of animals, typical images float into your head, such as a dog, a cat. Here are some lesser known animals that may catch your interest. Now name them, but you have to take help from the help box. But how will you take help? Because here picture images are there. But this type of question I will not set up. So what you have to do? Here is number 8. Answers are given: sea pig, thorny dragon, narwhal, okapi, swivel, Indian purple frog. Now what you have to write? Here there is no option to write, but you have to identify the names of animals by watching the picture images. But this type of question we will not set up. Okay? Picture images question we will not set up. But what is one question is there, that is, what is II? What is II? In serial number 11, one image is there. That image is known as II. Image that is the image of II. And in serial number 10, page number 8, serial number 10, Pacu fish is there. Pacu fish. It is the fish, Pacu fish. Pacu fish is there. And in serial number 9, page number 8, serial number 9. What is this? That is Saiga antelope. And in serial number 8, page number 8, serial number 8, bush viper. So from this point of view, we can set up question. Okay. What is bush viper? One kind of sea snakes. What is bush viper? You have to write one kind of sea snake. What is bush viper? One kind of sea snake. Okay. So you just you look at the picture and learn the answer. Okay. What is sea viper? This type of question I may set up. What is sea viper? You have to write one kind of sea snake. Okay. Bush viper is known as one kind of sea snake. Then next question, saiga antelope, one kind of uh, deer, one kind of deer known as one kind of deer known as this type of question I may set up. In that case, you have to write answer. One kind of deer is known as saiga antelope. Then serial number 10 is there one kind of sea fish. One kind of sea fish. You have to write pacu fish. Pacu fish. Then next one kind of animal look like one kind of animal looks like uh, looks like looks like cat. Its eyes are reddish eyes. What is it? You have to write I. You have to write I. One kind of animal looks like a deer, but its heads are very tall and body is very thin. What is it? You have to write. You have to write Gerenak. Serial number 12, Gerenak. And serial number 6, you see, page number 8, serial number 6. One animal is there, looks like a frog. So it looks like a frog, but it is an Indian animal. What is it? You have to write Indian purple frog. Indian purple frog. The next one, serial number 7, come to serial number 7. One animal of blue color, one sea fish, one sea fish of blue color. What is it? One sea fish of blue color. What is it? This is known as blue parrot fish. Blue parrot fish. You have to write blue parrot fish. Then serial number 5. Serial number 5. One, bird looks like swan. What is it? You have to write soebil. Serial number 5. Soebil. The next one animal. Serial number 4. One animal looks like an ass. What is it? It is okapi. You have to write okapi. So you have to learn this much questions. You may take it down in your copies. What I am telling you, what I am teaching you, take it down. In what form this type of questions will come and how you have to answer, how you have to attempt these questions. That question may come from there. Serial number 4. One animal looks like an ass. What is it? One animal looks like an ass. What is it? Serial number 4, answer will be there. The name of this answer is okapi. The next one, serial number 3. One animal having very sharp instinct in front of his mouth. One sea animal having one sharp instinct in his one sea animal having one sharp nail in his mouth. What is it? What is it? Then you have to write answer. As per serial number 3, the name of this answer is narwhal. 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 Then serial number 2, what is it? Serial number 2, one animal of very small shape looks like a dragon. What is it? Serial number 2, the correct answer is thorny dragon. Thorny dragon. One animal of very little little shape, looks like a dragon. What is it? It is thorny dragon. Then serial number one. Serial number one. One animal look like a look like one animal look like a it looks like a looks like a sea animal. One sea animal, one sea animal, only some small legs are there. One sea animal, only some legs are there, but only the body, and its body is very fatty. One sea animal, only some legs are there, but it's a very fatty animal. What is it? Serial number one, that is Diarnia, means Venus flytrap. That is sea pig. One animal looks like a pig. One sea animal looks like a pig, having some small legs. What is it? You have to write sea pig. You have to write sea pig. So by this way, you have to write answers. And what type of questions will come? I gave you some ideas. You take. I think you have already taken down it in your copies. So following this type of questions, you have to learn this much answers. And next one, explore mammals. Next one, explore mammals. What is it? Explore mammals. Left side some questions are there, right side its answers also are there. Now you have to choose the correct answer. Now I am asking you, serial number 9, you find out its answer from from the back page. Serial number 9's answers are there in the back page. Open at page number 9 and see answer for A and B. There are two parts, A and B. A1, I am asking you a question from A1. Lion is there. Now answers are there to the right side. You have to write answer in terms of the meaning with lion. What is this? The big majestic wildcat that lives in groups. 1B answer is there. 1B. So I shall make question like this way. A majestic wildcat that lives in groups, then you have to write answer. What answer will be there? You have to write lion. A majestic wildcat that lives in groups is known as lion. Then next one, you see page number 9. Next one, page number 9. Next one, 2D. Answer is 2D. What is there in the part of D? This has a long nose and two giant teeth called tusks. What should be the answer? Serial number 2 is the answer. What is this? It is elephant. But question may be like this. Question may be like this. This has a long nose and two giant teeth called tusks. What is it? You have to write elephant. Okay. The next one, serial number 9, page number 9, serial number 4F, serial number 3, page number 9, serial number 3G, serial number 3G. 3G means a sea mammal with massive tusks and whiskers. So I shall make a question like this. A sea mammal with massive tusks and whiskers. What is this? You have to write answer walrus. You have to write answer walrus. Then come to serial number 4, tiger. Now what should be your answer? Serial number 9, page number 9, Now four tiger is there. Now what should be the answer of a tiger? Now come to F. F is the answer. What is there in the F? In F, largest of the big cats with striped body. What is it? So this one I shall make this question. Largest of the big cats with a striped body. What is it? You have to write tiger. You have to write tiger. Then next one, C, 5C. Next one, 5. What is there in 5? Gorilla. Gorilla. And its answer is C. The biggest of the apes looks ferocious but is very gentle. What is it? You have to write gorilla. Then come to serial number 6. Page number 9, serial number 6. 6, it is for 6 answer, it is A for serial number 6. It spends 10 to 12 hours every day. It spends 10 to 12 hours every day. It spends 10 to 12 hours every day eating bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots. What is this? It is panda. It is panda. Serial number 9, 6, 6A. Panda. Then next one, come to serial number 7. Whale. What is the answer for whale? The answer for whale is 7E. In 7E, it is a sea mammal that can stay underwater for hours together. What is it? It is whale. So you have to write answer whale. So this is about part A of page number 9. And now part B. Part B. Now I am starting from part B onwards. That is, what is this? That is porcupine. Serial number 1, porcupine. What is the answer of serial number 1? 1F. 1F. Its body is covered with long spines that protect it from predators. What is it? It is porcupine. Then for serial number 2. Serial number 2 answer, page number 9, serial number 2, 2A. 2A. That means it builds a dam across streams to live in a lodge behind it. What is this? It is beaver. Then serial number 3, squirrel. Serial number 3. What is this? Serial number 3 is B. Serial number 3 is B. Its answer is, it has fur-lined cheek pouches for storing food. What is it? You have to write squirrel. Then next one, serial number 4, lemur. Serial number 4, answer is G. Answer is G. That means it uses its bushy and thick tail to signal and wave. What is this? That is lemur. You have to write lemur. Then come to serial number 5, bat. Come to serial number 5, bat. 5 bat, its answer is C. What is there in the sea? A flying mammal that lives in dark places. So you have to write for it a flying mammal that lives in dark places. What is it? It is bat. Then come to serial number 6. Serial number 6, it is 6D. Serial number 6D. What is there in D? A playful mammal, brilliant swimmer and diver. This is a playful mammal, brilliant swimmer and diver. What is this? That is otter. Serial number 6D. Serial page number 9, B, serial number 6D. B6D. That is a playful mammal, brilliant swimmer and diver. That is otter. Then finally, serial number 7, Etruscan shrew. Etruscan shrew. Serial number 7, page number 9, serial number 7, its answer is E. E, the smallest mammal. So what is the smallest mammal? You have to write answer Etruscan shrew. So by this way you learn this lesson, my dear students, and learn with me. I think you already have learned with me. Although this lesson is duly learned by you, I have seen while asking you question, and I do believe this time your learning will be perfect and perfectly will answer. Okay, today's time is over. Next day I shall revise some other lessons if we have time. Secretaries General of the United Nations. Okay, if we have time, then we shall be able to learn. But more or less, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that is learning of lessons, that is your matter. Okay, this is GK class. What you have to do, what you have to do is perfectly you have to learn all the lessons so that you can attempt all the questions answers perfectly and can score good marks, can score good grade like grade A. So I do expect you'll be able to, all of you will be able to secure grade A. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.